Om Namah Shivaya. Today we are going to start with the Shiva Sutra. The first chapter of this Shiva Sutra is called Shambhavopaya or Universal Consciousness. The first mantra of the first chapter is Consciousness is the Self. The second sutra, Ordinary knowledge consists of associations. The third sutta, Sets of axioms generate structures. Fourth sutra, The ground of knowledge is Matrika. The fifth sutra, The upsurge of consciousness is Bhairava. The sixth sutra of Shiva Sutra from the first chapter, by union with the energy centers, one withdraws from the universe. Seventh sutra, even during waking, sleep and deep sleep, one can experience the fourth state, transcendenting consciousness. Eighth sutra, sensory knowledge is obtained in the waking state. Ninth sutra, dreaming is free ranging of thoughts. The 10th sutra is deep sleep is Maya, the irrational. The 11th sutra of Shiva Sutra is the experiencer of the three states is the lord of the senses. The 12th sutra, the domain of the union is the astonishment. The 13th sutra of Shiva Sutra says that the power of the will is the playful Uma. The 14th sutra says like the observed has a structure. That means whatever you have observed, it has a proper structure, not as like in a physical form. Like air has a structure, how that we feel that. 15th sutra, by fixing the mind on its core, one can comprehend perceivable and emptiness. The 16th sutra, or by contemplating the pure principle, one is free of the power that binds to associations. The 17th sutra, right discernment is the knowledge of the self. The 18th sutra, the bliss of the sight is the joy of samadhi. The 19th sutra is the body emerges when the energies unite. The 20th sutra says like elements unite, elements separate, and the universe is gathered. The 21st sutra of Shiva Sutra of its very first chapter, Shambhavopaya. The 21st sutra says pure knowledge leads to a mastery of the wheel of energies. The 22nd sutra says like the great lake of space-time is experienced through the power of mantra. This is the first chapter. Now we are going to second chapter, which is Shaktopaya. The first sutra of the second chapter is the mind is mantra. The second sutra of the chapter, efforts leads to attainment. The third sutra of this chapter, the secret of mantra is the being of the body of knowledge. The fourth sutra of the second chapter, the emergence of the mind in the womb is the forgetting of common knowledge. The fifth sutra of the second chapter, when the knowledge of one's self arises, one moves in the sky of consciousness, the Shiva state. The Guru is the means. The seventh sutra, the awakening of the wheel of Matrika, the elemental energies. The eighth sutra, the body is the oblation. The ninth sutra, the food is knowledge. The 10th sutra, with the extinction of knowledge emerges the vision of emptiness. Now we are heading to third chapter, which is named as Anavopaya, Anavopaya, or the transformations of the individual. The third chapter's first sutra says the mind is the self. The second sutra says material knowledge is bondage association. The third sutra says Maya is the lack of discernment of the principles of transformation. The fourth sutra says the transformation is stopped in the body. Fifth sutra says the quieting of vital channels, the mastery of the elements, the withdrawal from the elements and separation of the elements. The sixth sutra, perfection is through the veil of delusion. The seventh sutra, overcoming delusion and by boundless extension, innate knowledge is achieved. The eighth sutra, waking is the secondary ray of consciousness. The ninth sutra, the self is the actor. The 10th sutra, the inner self is the stage. The 11th sutra, the senses are the spectators. The 12th sutra, the pure state is achieved by the power of the intellect. The 13th sutra, freedom, that means here creativity, is achieved. The 14th sutra, as here, so elsewhere. The 15th sutra, emission of consciousness is the way of nature, and so what is not external is seen as external. The 16th sutra, attention to the seed. The 17th sutra, seated one sinks effortlessly in the lake of consciousness. The 18th sutra, the measure of consciousness fashions the world. The 19th sutra, as limited knowledge is transcendented, birth is transcendented. The 20th sutra, Maheshwari and other mothers of being reside in the sound elements. The 21st sutra, the fourth state of the consciousness should be used to oil the other three states of consciousness. The 22nd sutra of Shiva Sutra goes like, absorbed in the nature, one must penetrate the phonemes with one's mind. 23rd Sutra. The lower plane rises in the center of the phoneme. The 22nd Sutra. The balanced breathing leads to a balanced vision. The 25th Sutra. What was destroyed rises again by the joining of perceptions with the objects of experience. The 26th Sutra of the third chapter. He becomes like Shiva, who does all these things which we have talked before in the video. And the 27th Sutra goes like, the activity of the body is the vow. The 28th Sutra of Shiva Sutra. The recitation of mantras is the discourse. 29th Sutra. Self-knowledge is the boon. 30th Sutra. He who is established is the means and knowledge. 31st Sutra. The universe is the aggregate of his powers. Persistence and absorption is the 32nd Sutra of Shiva Sutra. The 33rd Sutra. Even when this maintenance and dissolution, there is no break in awareness due to the perceiving subjectivity. The 34th Sutra. The feeling of pleasure and pain is external. 35th Sutra. The one who is free of that is alone with consciousness. The 36th Sutra. A mass of delusion of mind is subject to activity. 37th Sutra. When separateness is gone, action can lead to creation. The 38th Sutra. The power to create is based on one's own experience. The 39th Sutra. That which precedes the three states of consciousness vitalizes them. 40th Sutra. The same stability of mind should permeate the body, senses, and external world. The 41st Sutra. Craving leads to the extroversion of inner process. The 42nd Sutra. When established in pure awareness, the craving is destroyed and the empirical individual ceases to exist. The 43rd Sutra. Although cloaked in the elements, one is not free, but like the Lord, one is supreme. The link with the vital breath is natural. 44th Sutra of Shiva Sutra, chapter 3. 45th Sutra. Concentrating on the center within the nose, what use are the left and right channels or Sushumna? The last Sutra of Shiva Sutra. May the individual merge in the Lord once again. Om Namah Shivaya.